Candy in my hands could be like brandy on my breath. It's clearly handy in my underwear. Sure as I am standing here, Sunday I had candy, which was one day I felt randy, but had no way of controlling what I did till I saw Monday. Candy, I'm addicted to you, candy. Now you got me once again. Crazy from the haze I laid upon my little brain. There was no match for this mighty match. Sweet superiority, lazy 'cause I've given up on work and family. No one understands me and my candy were meant to be my candy and me. Candy, I'm addicted to you, candy. Now you got me. We're gonna need a fix of honey stick. Gonna need another link to make it wet. Gotta feel the syrup surfing through my veins. Well, I don't wanna have a place to sleep. I don't wanna have a sting to eat. Lollipops and butterscotch and caramel and lemon drops and jelly beans and jujubes and velvet cake. Stop. My candy simply ran out. Now I'm strung out, and I sure could use a handout. Don't let me stand out in the rain. I plan to be responsible and land another job. Until then, can you please let me a 24 song? Candy, I'm addicted to you.